Ka kotloloho ho tswa Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg, re utlisetsa kgaso ya ditaba ka puo ya Sesotho. Fela pele re kena ho tsona, tse itlhommeng pele ke tsena.
Effectively, I'm asking you, Mr. Matlala, did former Minister Cele lie under oath about those issues in relation to your name?
Yes, he lied under oath.
Vosmos Khet Matlala o fane ka bopaki ka jeno mo a boletseng ha Brown Mokgotsi a ile a mmatla tjhelete.
Bail fixed at 50,000 rands, payable at the clerk of the court, Magistrate Pretoria, prior to the release of the accused. Publicize or broadcast.
Kaolele moahlodi wa lekgotla le phahameng la North Gauteng Portia Phahlane o filwe beili ya diranta tse 50,000 ke lekgotla la dinyewe la ditlolo tsa molao wa dikgwebo Pretoria. Mopresidente wa Guinea-Bissau o ketolwa setulong. Mohi re a dumedisa re boetse re teng ho tla o hlaba malotsana ka tsentseng di tlhomme pele re shebile jwalo sedika dikwe sa ditaba nna ke Thato Hlanyane ke tla di hatsa ka kopanelo le Mphotene. Tsona re dithakgola ka tse reng mohwebi ya ntseng a le ditlamong tjhankaneng ya Kgosi Mampuru Pretoria Elin Vosmuzi Khet Matlala o hlahelletse lekgetlo la pele komiting ya palamente ho fana ka bopaki ho latela ditlaleho mo lebitso la hae le neng la nna la hlahella menyenyetsing e mengatanyana ya diketso tsa ditlolo tsa molao.
You met him, told him Mokgotsi told you that Mkhunu wants to be a president, and therefore they need you to finance the campaign of Mkhunu. And they told you not to work with Cele and make sure you close Cele out and Zuma out. Don't tell them these issues. He said that under oath, and now you are saying he's the one who came with the information, the opposite of what he told us. So effectively, I'm asking you, Mr. Matlala, did former Minister Cele lie under oath about those issues in relation to your name?
Yes, he lied under oath.
Ho kopana ha hae le motlatsa mo commissioner ya ntseng a kginne mosebetsing ile mo lieutenant general Shadrack Sibiya ibile ka makgetlo a mabedi mo ba neng ba bua ka tendera ya ho fetola college ya thupello ya sepolesa ho ba kliniki. Ha kopano ya boraro ba ne ba bua ka o kwetilo ha Jerry Boshoga eo Matlala a boletseng ha ene ile motswalle wa hae ba bile ba etsa kgwebo mmoho.
So was that the beginning of a relationship with General Sibiya?
What relationship?
Well, I'm asking you, was that the last time you saw him, or did you see him again afterwards? And if you saw him again afterwards, in what connection did you see him afterwards?
Yes, I saw him again.
And in what connection was that?
It was regarding, it was long ago, it was regarding, he actually wanted to ask me because he said he was investigating a kidnapping case. And then he asked me if, because the person who was being kidnapped is my very close friend, and he was asking me about him.
Matlala o latotse bosehla hore o ya ameha bollotsane ba diranta tse dibilione tse 2 sepetlele sa Tembisa. Ho mamelwa ha bopaki ba Matlala ho tswela pele ho sane.
O sa le jwalo Vosmuzi Khet Matlala o ile a hlahella komiting ya nakwana ya palamente la kgetlo la pele ka morao re lebitso la hae le hlele qhome komiting ena le commissioning ya Madlanga. Potso e re maneileng ho marangrang ke hore na Muhi maikutlo a hao ke afe ka bopaki bo tekilweng ke Matlala mme maikutlo a hao ke yana latela ka video ya WhatsApp.
Taba tsa Khet Matlala o ka se di guarantee empa bopaki ba bo bontshitseng gompieno bo bontsha hona le nnete a re itse until proven guilty re tla bona hore e foka e ya kae.
A ke ne ke mamela ntate Vosmuzi Khet Matlala ka tshekwe ne ke utlwa hore o tlholega go araba tsa tse ding tsa dipotso tse leng hore ba komiti ya lebakanyana ya parliament ba mbotsa tsona jwana o tlholega go di araba jaaka ge e le gore o rutshaba hore o tlatla a tatetswa mohlang a ile o tlhagella gorong ya tsheko.
O utlwala e ka rotla ka tsona Khet Matlala mara sometimes bopaki ba motho ka tronkong o ska ba bonka gobane nako nngwe a ka nna bua eka o batla go thusa state ka thu batla fela gore a bepofaletswe kapa a lokollwe.
Ke bona bohlatsi jo bo fago ke Khet Matlala a tloga bolela dinnete tša di tseba go lebile bothata jwa go tloga boala ka bolokologi le boitshepo.
Mohi re leboela maikutlo a hao ka mehla. Ha re hatela pele, moahlodi wa lekgotla le phahameng la North Gauteng Phosia Phahlane o filwe beili ya diranta tse 50 ke lekgotla la dinyewe tsa ditlolo tsa molao tsa dikgwebo ba le Pretoria. Phahlane ha mmoho le morao wa hae Kagiso ba hlahiletse ka pela lekgotla ba topane le diqoso tsa ho ntsha tjotjo ya diranta tse dimilione tse 2 ho susumetsa sephetho sa nyewe ya ntwa ya boetapele ba kereke ya International Pentecostal Holiness. Phahlane le morao wa hae e leng ditho tsa kereke ena ba hlahelletse kgotla ha mmoho le baqosuwa ba bang ba babedi. Moetapele wa kereke le Michael Sandlana o hanetswe ka beili. Ho hlaloswa ha bahlanka ba molao ba ile ba hlokofatswa le ho amuwa dithunya tsa bona tsa mosebetsi ha ba ne ba motshwara. Ho sa le jwalo, kereke ena ya IPHC e karotse ho moetapele wa yona Michael Sandlana ho latela ho ikagela ha hae diqosong tse ngata tsa ditlolo tsa molao le ho kgethwa ha hae ka bomenemene. Sandlana o ile a re ke mora wa moetapele wa IPHC Bishop Clayton Modise ka mora ho hlokala ha hae ka selemo sa 2016.
He claimed that he was a legitimate son. He also claimed that they also claimed that there was a will and a DVD wherein the comforter, the previous comforter, the deceased comforter, MG Modise, prepared him to take over from him as a new comforter. In terms of our constitution, the sitting comforter prepares and appoints his successor.
Harekena ho tsa matjhaba mopresidente wa Guinea-Bissau e leng Umaru Sissoco Embaló o tshwerwe ke banna ba hlometseng. Sena ke ho ya katlelo ya BBC ka mora hore ho tlo utlwahale moduma wa dithunya haufi le ntlo ya mopresidente. Dipaki tsa motse moholo Bissau di utlwile modumo wa dithunya horeng tsa boboraro thapameng ena empa ha o so hlake hore ke manya a mehang ketsalong ya uthunya. Ditlaleho tsena di tla matsatsi a se makae ka mora hore naha e ka bophirima ba Afrika e tle tshware dikgetho tse akaretsang mo nkgetheng wa bohanyetsi a ileng a tloswa. Sephetho sa dikgetho se lebelletswe ho phatlalatswa hosane. Kaolele mopresidente wa mehleng wa Brazil e leng Jair Bolsonaro o qadile ho hula kahlolo ya hae ya dilemo tsa 2017 tjhankaneng. O ile a rera ho ketola mmuso ka mora ho hlola dikgethong tse akaretsang tsa naha tsa selemo sa 2022. Ha re atela pele molaya a hlotsweng e leng Ramesh Patel o tla ahlolwa mahareng a Tshitwe le go tlenne phameng la Polokwane provinseng ya Limpopo. Sena se tla ka mora kahlolo e wa ifumaneng ka la bobedi molato wa polao wa mofumadi wa hae wa pele e leng Fatima Patel ka Mmesa selemo sa 2015.
Baemedi ba ga Ramesh Patel ba ne ba tlisa kopo ya bone morago ga katlholo go tlhotlheletsa kgotlatshekelo kgolo gore e atolose beili ya ga Patel. Rakgwebo Ramesh Patel o bonwe molato wa go bolaya mosadi wa gagwe wa ntlha Fatima Patel. Moatlhodi Joseph Raulinga o rebotse katlholo e telele ka la bobedi. Patel o ne a bolaya mosadi wa gagwe Fatima kwa legaeng la bone kwa Nevada. Moeledi wa ga Patel o dirile kopo gore beila ya gagwe e se phumulwe.
On 25th November 2025, I was convicted on 1 count of murder, 1 count of unlawful possession of a firearm, and 1 count of unlawful possession of ammunition.
Efela moatlhodi Raulinga a re o dumela gore go tswa go bopaki jo bo tlhagisitsweng molatofadiwa o molato kopo ya gagwe ya beila e kgapetswe kwa thoko.
Mr. Patel, your wife is no more, and you know better than us, and you know what happened. You killed her. But for now, Mr. Patel, I can't allow you to go out. Your application fails, and the bail is revoked, and you must go into carceration.
Ditsamaiso tsa katlholo di tlile go reetswa fa Sedimonthole a tlhola malatsi a le 17 le 18. Ke Katlego Nyoni wa dikgang tsa SABC Polokwane.
Ditlhahlobo tsa matriki di tlilo phethelwa hosane e leng ka Labone la 27 Pudungwana tsona di tshwaya pheletso ya leeto le qadileng ka kgwedi ya Mphalane ka 21. Moedi wa Lefapha la Thuto Profeseng ya Gauteng Steve Mabona o re kgotsofaditswe ke tsela eo ditlhahlobo di tsamaisitsweng ka yona ntle le ditlaleho tsa mofuta ofe kapa ofe.
Generally, we have been doing very well besides the absenteeism on part-time candidates, which we want to encourage that if you enroll that you're going to write, you must prepare and make sure that you go and write. And we are discouraging now the pens downs parties which might end in eventualities. We've been saying to candidates, you can celebrate but responsibly, no alcohol, no parties that will end up with eventualities. But so far, we are quite happy.
Kamohelo e mofuthu wena mohi mokgahlelo kwa bobedi. Mopresidente wa Salga e leng Bheki Stofile o re bahlanka ba mo masepala ba lokela matlafatso hore ba sebetsane le ditaba tsa phano tsa ditshebeletso hantle. O buile sena kopanong ya matsatsi a mabedi ya mokgatlo ona ya bo masepala e tshwaretsweng Durban.
Ke barumuwa ba feta makgolo a robong ba tswang ho bo masepala ba makgolo a mabedi 57 naha ka bophara ba tlileng sebokeng sena. Ngongoreo e kgolo ke boitshwaro bo bobe tsamaisong ya ditjhelete. Salga e tla sebedisa monyetla ona ho fumana mehopolo e babatsehang ho ntlafatsa phano ya ditshebeletso.
Part of the conversation that we had over many longest period of time is to give capacity to municipal staff, councillors that had to play an oversight. So it's a continuous project. It's not a once-off thing.
Bo masepala ba 99 ba kotsing ya ho lahlehelwa ke maemo a bona a dibuka tse hlwekileng haeba ba sa ikamahanye le dipehelo tse reretsweng ho fokotsa mathata bona.
Amongst other issues that are going to be discussed in this meeting would be how do we legislatively bring those new dimensions into this whole equation? How do we look at issues of the review of the funding model of municipalities and the extent to which cooperative governance would have to be reinforced in the interest of impacting all municipalities, but most in particular to make sure that the South African citizens through all these municipal entities, they are able to get the much needed services.
Tonakgolo ya KwaZulu-Natal e re bo masepala ba bontsha ntlafalo e nyane ho fihlella dibuka tse hlwekileng tsa ditjhelete.
In KwaZulu-Natal, the issue of the performance of municipalities when it comes to AG's findings, there is a slight improvement. As you see, the number of the clean audits improving or rather increasing slightly, the unqualified audits also being stable or rather increasing slightly, and we hope to improve more.
Seboka sena se tla fihla pheletsong hosane.
Letona la Sireletso le Mekaubea ya Sesole Angie Motshekga o re kantoro ya hae e hlokometse hore hona le ma-Afrika Borwa a tshwaseileng Russia mme ba ditharisano le mafapha bolaodi ho tla ka tharollo. Motshekga o buile tsena ka nakong ya boikwetliso ba Vukuhlome bo tshwaretsweng kampong ya boikwetliso ba Sesole ya Lohatla Northern Cape.
Go bontshiwa bokgoni jwa Sesole sa Afrika Borwa go ne go tlotlomadiwa masole le gore ba ipaakantse. Tona ya Sesole Angie Motshekga a re ba ikgolagantse le puso ya Russia go bona gore ba tla thusa jang ma-Afrika Borwa a gaeletsweng kwa Russia.
Re tshwarisane le bona ra utlwisisa e ntshetswa pele ke presidency through SSA ke bona ba na le dintlha kaofela re go iragalang re berekisana le lapa hape le bona bana ba ntse re bua le bona re bua le mmuso wa Russia. So one dintho sentse di teka re ke kopa re se ka bua bontsi mare go salang gore ra itse re bothata ke eng mme re leka ka gotle mo ka kgonang ka teng go inulla bana lo ntsa bana ba le go Russia.
Motlankela mogolo wa Sesole o roletse masole futsi ka tiro e ntle e o ba idirang.
They also had foreign observers, but members of the Pride, that is from the army, with other services, because it is a joint integrated exercise where you have the Air Force, you have the medical services, you have a number of the divisions also that are part of this exercise. we were able to pull it through to the level that we have pulled it up today.
Tona Motshekga a re lefapha leno le tswelela go itemogela tlhokego ya matlole mme seno se ba thibela gore ba dire go lekane. Tebogo Msimanga lo hatla mo Northern Cape.
Batjha ba mosaneng wa Ramatlaba ma haufi le Mahikeng Northwest ba ingodisitseng ho lenaneo la tshebetso le lefeletsweng ke mmuso la Labour Activation. Ba belaela botshepehi le bonnete ba lenaneo lena le tsamaiswang ke KST Multimedia moo ba reng ha ba lefuwa le meputso ya bona.
Programa ya go samagana le tlhaelo ya kitso le bokgoni le go lwantsha botlhokatiro e tlogetse bašwa ba kgobegile marapo.
So dilela tse dintsi ba dutse go gae ba ithuti ba bantsi ba dutse go gae because of ba wele mowa ba utlwile le botlhoko because of ba ka ba nna le ba tsentswe trauma because of o kry-a o tshepiswa selo gore ne re tlatla re go direla bontle bo re go tshepiseng bone le nyana mara bo sa diragatse. So go kuro la o le mosha o ntse o sokola mmereko go nna go dira maikutlo le go feta.
Bašwa bano ba re le bona ba nyemile moko.
Di-disappointment di dintsi thata, so di-hopes tsa rona di simolola di ya ko tlase, ditsholofelo tsa rona di simolola di ya ko tlase.
Magano a go diragala dilo tse dintsinyana tse di feletsa di kgoba le ditoro tsa ka marapo ka gonne ga ke thola ke bona ke tla ka gasti ke tsene ke se batse ke re ke stang thusa le mo bokamoseng gore ke gone go phetegatsa ditoro tsa ka.
Le fa go le jalo ba Unemployment Insurance Fund ba re ba santse ba letile ditlankana go tswa go motlamedi wa ditirelo.
You need to submit a portfolio of evidence. In other words, among other things, this would include your attendance registers of the number of learners that attended any of the training activities or any activity as part of the Labour Activation Program.
Maiteko a go fitlhelela tshwaelo ya KST Media ga atlega. Sentle English, SABC News, Ramatlabama.
Mosadimolo ya dilemo tsa 95 wa Odendaalsrus profenseng ya Freistata a ka iphumana latlhetswe ke ntlo ya hae ya dilemolemo ka nako eo mmuso wa kgethollo basadi bana ba sa dumelwa ho ka reka matlo mme ka lebaka leo mosadimoholo o ile a ngodisa ntlo ya hae ka mora wa hae eo e seng e le mofu ka jeno.
Mo dingwageng tsa gagwe di le 95 Serite Gaiane o tshwanetse a bo a tshela ka kagiso fela o gaufi le go latlhegelwa ke ntlo ya neng a e agetse lelapa la gagwe. Ketsaetsego ya gagwe e bakiwa ke gore o iphitlhela a o tlhaiwa ke molao wa tlhaolele wa apartheid o neng o ganela basadi go nna le matlo le wa jaanong o reng moshwelwa o tla bona dithoto tsa molekane wa gagwe fa ile gore ba ne ba nyalane lenyalo la tlhakanelo ya dithoto.
Ntlo ke ya ke ikagetse ona bone ke sebetsa kere
Yaanong ha ba batla go gotsela yone yana ka re ba batla go gotsela ntlo ya gago.
Ke ntho ke makalang fela gore mabaka bone ke a feng ba e batlang.
Ka fa monna wa gagwe a tlhokofetse monongwaga ka Tlhakole go bonala gore ngwetsi ya ga Gaiane ke yone e tla fetogang go nna mong wa ntlo eno semolao.
Gona go ya ka gona re bone ka go o batla ntlo because e le ga ha bua gona qeta go hloka qeta go hlobola thapo le ga ya ho yena ra mo botsa gore o tsebang ka ntlo ena hobane mosadimoholo o go batla go tlosa lebitso la Tileng.
Masepala wa Matjhabeng o rile o tla tshwaela mogodi yono setsha mme o mo agele ntlo ya RDP go ra fudugele kwa go yone. Go sa le jalo Commission ya ditshwanelo tsa botho ya Afrika Borwa e bolela gore masepala o ka seke wa dira dilo e kete ga o akanyetse baagi.
Boramolao ba ka dira ka tsela e itseng ba di-conveyances ba le ke go thusetsa go challenge molao o gore go tla yang gore nkgono a feleletse a le mo seemong se le gore a ba bolelle gore o tlamehile lo dula ko RDP House.
Kamogelo Siekwi, dikgang tsa SABC, Odendaalsrus.
Mohe e dine di tlhopisetswa hakalo bakeng sa ka jeno le fumutaung o latela ka tsa bolepi salang hantle.